In a remote corner of the world, hidden from the prying eyes of modern civilization, lay a mysterious garden unlike any other. Known as the Quantum Garden, it was a place where the laws of nature twisted and danced to a different rhythm. Within the Quantum Garden, flowers bloomed in hues not found anywhere else on Earth. Their petals shimmered with colors that shifted and changed with the observer's gaze. Each step on the garden's path led to a new reality, where the environment around you could transform in an instant. Strangest of all were the Timebend Trees. These ancient arboreal giants had trunks that spiraled like helixes, and leaves that whispered secrets of the past and glimpses of the future. Those who dared to touch the Timebend Trees could feel time itself flowing through their fingertips. The garden was guarded by the Quantum Keepers, enigmatic beings who seemed to exist in multiple places at once. They were the stewards of the garden's bizarre beauty, ensuring that its peculiar wonders remained hidden from the world beyond. One day, a curious young botanist named Elara stumbled upon the entrance to the Quantum Garden. Drawn by the rumors of its impossible flora, she ventured inside. As she explored, Elara's senses were overwhelmed by the kaleidoscope of colors and the feeling that time itself was a malleable substance. Elara encountered a reality pool, a liquid surface that rippled with images of distant lands and uncharted realms. Gazing into the pool, she glimpsed alternate versions of herself living lives she had never imagined. As Elara ventured deeper into the heart of the Quantum Garden, a palpable sense of enchantment enveloped her. The very air seemed to shimmer with a subtle energy, casting an ethereal glow that painted the surroundings in a mesmerizing palette of colors. Her footsteps, as if guided by the whispers of the universe itself, took on an almost weightless quality, as though she were traversing the very edge between the tangible and the intangible. In this surreal and captivating setting, she found herself enveloped by an assembly of fellow wanderers, each as mystified and awestruck as she was by the inexplicable wonders of the garden. The gathering formed an eclectic tapestry of humanity and beyond, a convergence of disparate stories that defied conventional logic. Each individual, much like Elara, had unwittingly stumbled into the embrace of the Quantum Garden, drawn by its enigmatic call. Their origins spanned realms as diverse as their appearances, and their tales held the key to the garden's ever-unfolding mystery. Among the group, one figure cast a shadow that seemed to dance with the very essence of dreams. Aurelius, the Dreamweaver, commanded attention with his enigmatic presence. His cloak swirled in ephemeral shadows, suggesting a connection to realms that transcended human comprehension. The wisdom gleaming in his eyes hinted at journeys that traversed the boundary between the tangible and the fantastical. As his voice resonated, it was as if the collective dreams of countless souls echoed through his words. He introduced himself as a being who navigated the ethereal realm of dreams, revealing how his visions had led him to the Quantum Garden. Within his grasp, he held a crystalline object that pulsed with an otherworldly luminescence, a conduit through which he channeled his visions into intricate tapestries of light. Elara's attention then shifted to Zara of Xyloren, an embodiment of cosmic diversity. Zara hailed from the distant planet Xyloren, a world that seemed to be painted with the vibrant strokes of an artist's imagination. Its ecosystems teemed with life, harmonizing in symphonies of color and sound. Zara herself stood as a living testament to this diversity, her appearance a kaleidoscope of iridescent hues. The gentle chiming of her communication and the grace of her gestures revealed a connection to a world where sound and light intertwined as languages. She recounted tales of Xyloren's interconnected ecosystems and their harmonious existence, her journey to the Quantum Garden a result of her fascination with the unique energies it exuded. Her stories wove a rich tapestry of cosmic interconnectedness, offering glimpses into a world where life and harmony were inseparable. Amidst this gathering of minds and souls, Serafina's presence stood as a beacon of intellectual curiosity. Draped in attire that combined academic elegance with futuristic intrigue, she exuded an aura of purposeful exploration. Raised in a lineage of physicists, her life had been an unending quest to peel back the layers of the universe's grand tapestry. Her pursuit of knowledge had propelled her into the forefront of quantum physics, where she questioned the very fabric of reality itself. It was within the Quantum Garden's embrace that Serafina's unshakable theories found themselves challenged by the whimsical defiance of conventional physics. Amidst the vibrant chaos of the garden's grove, she found herself in a continuous state of awe, her understanding of the universe reshaped with every conversation, every interaction. As the enigmatic figures known as the Quantum Keepers unveiled their presence to Elara, the depths of the garden's mysteries began to unfold before her in a breathtaking display of cosmic wonder. With each revelation, the very fabric of reality seemed to waver, and Elara found herself standing on the precipice of the unknown. The garden, it turned out, was not just an extraordinary place, It was a nexus of infinite possibilities. A realm where the conventional rules of existence were mere suggestions, easily bent and shaped by the enigmatic energies that pulsed through its core. Caught between the allure of the extraordinary and the familiarity of her world, Elara stood in a moment of profound choice. The quantum keepers, with their eyes that seemed to hold the knowledge of galaxies, presented her with a decision that would shape the course of her life. It was a choice that resonated with the echoes of every story she had heard within the garden, a choice that held the weight of the dreams, visions, and tales that had converged within its surreal embrace. In their hushed voices that carried the essence of stars, the quantum keepers offered Elara a choice that shimmered like a constellation in the night sky. She could choose to become the guardian of the quantum garden, a role that entailed embracing the boundless possibilities and becoming the steward of its enigmatic energies. This choice would tether her to the garden's ethereal currents, allowing her to explore its wonders as its chosen custodian. It was a path paved with the footsteps of those who had come before, whose stories had woven the very tapestry of the garden's existence. Alternatively, the quantum keepers extended to Elara the option to return to the world she had known, a realm where the laws of physics followed a predictable dance, where the boundaries of reality were rigid and finite. Should she choose this path, she would carry with her the memories of her encounters within the garden, a treasury of experiences that would forever shape her perspective on the ordinary and the extraordinary. In this pivotal moment, as the garden's enchanting energies swirled around her, and the very stars themselves seemed to hold their breath, Elara felt the weight of the choice before her. She glimpsed the infinite potential that awaited her as the garden's guardian, a role that transcended the boundaries of time and space. She also contemplated the world she would leave behind, a world she understood, but that suddenly felt small in the face of the quantum garden's expansive embrace. With a heart that beat in rhythm with the cosmos, Elara made her decision, drawn by the allure of the extraordinary and the promise of endless exploration. As she spoke her choice into the whispering winds of the garden, the very fabric of reality seemed to ripple and shimmer, weaving her destiny into the tapestry of the quantum garden itself. In that fleeting moment, she became more than a wanderer. She became a part of the garden's story, a guardian of its mysteries, and a custodian of its infinite possibilities.